I will show you how to create a filter on Gmail Mail. Having few filters created will make your life extremely easier. There are a lot of different filters, give me some time to explain their use and you may learn a lot of new things by the end of this video. So let's see how can we create one. Let's press on this gear icon from the top right, then press on see all settings. Now let's get to the filters and block addresses, and from here you can press on create a new filter. Here at From, I'd like you to type an email address. This is a total random email address. This doesn't even exist. If you know their email address, you can type it here, or you can simply take it from one of their email that they sent you. Let's see how a filter can help us if we press on create a new filter. So if I will select delete, what will happen basically every time when I'll receive an email from that person, they will be automatically deleted. Those emails will not even get into the spam folders or the trash. No, they will be automatically deleted. So if you create a filter and you use this option, you can solve your spam problem on your Gmail mail. And let's just press on create filter, and now the filter exists. It's here. We can press on edit. We can type another one. This one from gmail.com, and we can type another one, another from yahoo.com. Okay. And in this way, we edited the filter, and we can press on continue, and we can leave delete as marked. And if we press on update filter, now we just added more emails from those persons who are spamming us. What other options do we have? Let's delete these filters and let's create another one, and let's press on create filter. If you'll mark this one, those emails will automatically be marked as read. You don't have to open them in order to be read. We can select the star option and they'll be automatically get inside here. Or if you would like, we can add a forwarding email address, and if we press here and type here the email address, what will happen basically every time when we receive an email, they will be automatically forwarded to another email which we can set from here. This is another useful option. Let's press again on create a new filter. If you select this one, never send it to spam. From now on, it doesn't matter how many emails they will try to send us, they will never be marked and flagged as spam if we create this filter. As you can see, this email from this person, do this, never send it to spam. Extremely useful if your emails are getting to spam and you don't want a specific email to be flagged as a spam. Another extremely useful use of a filter on Gmail Mail is with labels. Let's create a new label. Let's name it math, because let's assume this label is related to math. If you're a professor, as an example, let's create this label and we have it. It's empty, it's totally empty. Let's get to our settings and see our settings, filters. This one is for a test. Let's delete it. And now let's create a new filter. Here I will add one of my Yahoo email addresses, and I will press on create filter. And we can see here apply the label setting and choose label. We will find here the label we created together, math. Press on create filter. What will happen now? When we receive an email from this email address, which is mine, it will get automatically marked as labeled, and we will find this email here. As a matter of fact, I have here the Yahoo open up. I type my Gmail address and let's try to send it, and in any seconds we will receive that mail. Let's have a look. Let's refresh it, and now we have an email found in the math label we created together. This will help you to categorize all your emails so you don't have everything in one section alone in the inbox like I have here, and everything is clogged up together. As a matter of fact, you can also add a sub label to this one. If we press on add sub label, and let's name it 2024 or 2025. Press on create, and now 2024 is a sub-label to the main label math. And you can have as many labels as you want, physics and math. You got the point. If you'd like to delete a label, you can press on these three dots. You can edit the label, you can rename it, or you can simply remove it totally from your labels. You can color it, you can personalize it as you want. So basically a filter can help you, and you can have as many as you want. I really hope this tutorial helped you out to learn how to create a filter on Gmail Mail. I hope you have a great day.